In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin a tab in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website or page you want to keep handy. This can be something you use often, like a calendar, email inbox, music player, or work dashboard. The key is to have the tab open before you try to pin it. Next, look at the tab at the top of the Chrome window that you want to pin. Move your mouse over that tab, then right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several tab options. From that menu, click Pin. As soon as you do that, the tab will change appearance. It will become smaller, and in most cases, it will only show the site icon instead of the full page title. This is normal, and it is how Chrome shows that the tab has been pinned successfully. After the tab is pinned, you will be able to see it on the upper left side of the tab bar. That is where pinned tabs stay in Chrome. They remain separated from your regular tabs in a compact format, which makes them easy to spot. If you pin more than one tab, they will line up from left to right in that same area. Pinned tabs are helpful because they stay in place and are less likely to be closed by accident during normal browsing. This can make your workflow smoother if you rely on the same websites throughout the day. That is the full process. Open Chrome, right-click the tab you want to pin, select Pin, and then look to the upper left side of the browser to see it. Once you do it one time, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need it. That covers everything you need to know.